Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy Monday. Go Gophers, right? Go Gophers. Today is going to be our first cardio workout and we're going to review some of the heart rate zones that we went over last week. All right, so here we go. Happy Monday. I thought this was cute. I wish it was warm enough to be able to have a hose out there and spray myself off, but it is what it is. All right, task 1, watching this workout. Task 2, review the zones and learn what it means to feel green. All right, so to feel green, remember that's going to be our middle zone here. So our gray zone is where we are when we start out. Once we start our exercise, then we move into blue, then we move into green, then we move into orange, and then we move into red. All right, so you can probably only stay in red for less than 5 minutes. So that is going all out, like max cardio, you're sprinting. All right, orange, you can stay in it for probably 2 to 10 minutes. Green is our 10 to 40 minutes. All right, this is what we're shooting for today. In IndyFit, the green zone is where we like to stay a lot because it means you can go a little bit longer. So as this says, it's like a light muscular strain. There's like easy breathing and it's moderate sweating. All right, so you should be able to go the whole time at this pace. So for today's workout, if you push yourself in the first 2 rounds too tough, you're probably in the orange or the red. So make sure you slow it back down and you're going at a pace where it's easy breathing and it's moderate sweating. All right, so try to find that balance between the blue and the green. So the blue is comfortable and there's not much sweating. So you should be a little bit uncomfortable and you should be sweating a little more than you would in the blue zone here. All right. So today for our cardio workout, we're going to focus on feeling green, focus on that moderate sweat and a little bit of struggle, but a pace that we can keep for a long time. So for today's workout, you're going to need a timer. So take your phone or your iPad or something, get a timer set up, and you're just going to keep that running through your workout. Okay, so I'm going to run you through this. It might look a little confusing, but I promise it's not that scary. Okay, it's going to be 8 exercises. It's only going to take 16 minutes, right? But you're going to be going the whole time. So if we look here, exercise 1, we're going to start by doing 10 reps of push-ups. Okay, so if you want to go on your knees, that's totally fine. 10 push-ups, and then you're going to stand up, and for the remainder of the 2 minutes, you're going to do jumping jacks. Okay, so each round here is 2 minutes, and there's 8 rounds, so that's how we got our 16 minutes. So you're going to be doing an exercise for the first part of the 2 minutes, and then whatever you have left, you're going to do this cardio on the other side. So I tried to give you these timers, these minute marks here to help you out. So once it hits the 2 minute mark, then we're going to exercise 2. You're going to do body weight squats for 10 reps. And then for the remainder of the 2 minutes, you're going to do butt kickers. Then we're going to go down at the 4 minute mark. We're going to do backwards lunge, 10 reps. So if backwards lunge is taking you a long time and it takes you a minute to do it, then for the remainder of this 2 minutes, it's only going to be a minute of high knees. Okay, so however long it takes you to do these reps, that's how long it takes you, but you're going to go straight into this cardio. Okay, then exercise 4, we have skater hops, we got mountain climbers, RDLs, forward lunge, and burpees. Over here, we only have 4 different cardio exercises that are going to repeat on the second half of these exercises here. Okay, so if you don't know what these exercises are, I've put some GIFs down here so you guys can look. So go ahead, look at these before you start. So again, you're going to do 10 reps of push-ups, then you're going to go into your jumping jacks, 10 reps of bodyweight squats. You're going to go into your butt kickers, 10 reps of backwards lunge, then you're going to go into your high knees, 10 reps of skater hops, then you're going to run in place. All right? So for 2 minutes each, you're doing that cardio for the rest of those 2 minutes. After 16 minutes are up, you are done. After you're done, we're going to come down here to task 4 for today's exit ticket. So make sure you're putting these answers in by midnight tonight. The exit ticket is right down here. Make sure they're in complete sentences, and see you guys tomorrow.